Open the Excel file closing stock prices. Okay, that's closing stock prices. There's one worksheet in it. It has the closing stock prices for IBM, Intel, Cisco Systems, General Electric, Dow Jones Industrial Index. Right. So on this file, we are going to right click on the file called, the worksheet called data, click on move a copy, and click on the box for create a copy. Right. And once you do that, you'll see an extra worksheet come in. You're going to call this mean and SD, mean and standard deviation. Okay, so we're going to calculate the mean and standard deviation for all these. So let's copy those out here. Right. And then we're going to, for each of these, we're going to calculate the mean and the standard deviation. Okay, so the mean is equal to average, open parenthesis. Select the first stock price for IBM, hold down Control Shift or Command Shift, and then hit the down arrow so we get all of them. And the price, the mean stock price for IBM is $130.93. Now let's calculate the standard deviation. So STDEV dot S. Okay, so standard deviation dot S, because we don't have all the stock prices that IBM has ever released, we only have these few ones here. So select all the stock prices of IBM and hit enter, and there we have our standard deviation. So it's only $3 here. Let's see how the other ones compare. Okay, so here's Intel, which the average price is 18, and the standard deviation is 50 cents. Right, whereas here Cisco Systems, the average stock price is $21 and the standard deviation is 52 cents. So GE, it's $16 and the stock price deviation is 35 cents. The Dow Jones Industrial Average has an average of 10,639 and a standard deviation of 171. So you notice that the standard deviation is bigger when the mean is larger. Okay, but some of the things you note, like even though Intel and GE have similar prices, the variance of GE is less than the that of Intel. Similarly, Cisco, even though it has like about the same price, it's only a little bit more. So that tells you something about the risk of all these stocks.